there, I'm Miss Deanne back with another wardrobe planning quick tip. My quick tip for you tonight is coming from another guest quick tipper. This time my friend Leela Madan, who's going to be giving you a tip from her closet. Leela, take it away.
Okay, so as you can see, I've got a lot of tall boots. So to keep them all standing up and tidy, it also saves your boot. I've got a tall water bottle in the boot.
Awesome.
So when you're done, you don't have to throw this away. You can throw it in your boot and it'll hold it upright, keep your boots from getting wrinkles, and save space in your closet.
Fabulous. Great tip. Thank you.
Leela has got a gazillion great ideas, and she doesn't know it yet, but she's going to be doing a lot more guest quick tipping for us in the coming months. In the meantime, if this was helpful for you, please give us a like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my video with Leela from last week where we put together wonderful business event outfits. This weekend, I will be in my friend Amber McDonald's closet planning full-time mom clothes for next week. Amber's a hoot, so don't forget to join us, and in the meantime, have a great rest of your week.